How to add ebooks to Squarespace for sale. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add an ebook to your Squarespace website for sale. So first, you can open squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can choose your website you want to add the ebook, and then you will be in this dashboard. So we're gonna add a product as a file so the customer can buy it and then download it. So first you can go to your products and services, and then as you can see there is a create option here. You can click it, and then there is a lot of options: physical products, service, group events, consulting, and others. And we're gonna go to download here. You can click it, and then you can choose the pages or store. I'm gonna choose shop because it's not service. Click continue. After that, you can just name it. You can name it like ebooks for businessmen, just like that. And then you can add the description here. Also, you can add the form if you want to add a card form. And then you can add illustration or image of the ebook. Then you can add the file. Of course, you have to add the product file, and then you can set the price like this, just like that. And then also, if you want to activate it on sale, you can add the sale price, maybe like this. So, customer will more likely to buy it. And then also, if you want to add the categorize, you can add it. And then for the text, you can add it. And then also for the selling tools, if you want to make it features, you can activate it. Then you can add related products and then also add product reviews. And yeah, just like that. And then you can just click save, and then you can schedule it or just publish it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.